boys and girls. Good morning. It's Mrs. T again. I have a new assignment for you. This is your third assignment. This book is called Skin Like Mine by Latacia Perry. And this is a super good book about a little girl who learns just how special she is, just like each and every one of you. My sister and I are both shades of brown. Me like peanut butter, and she a hazelnut spread, both creamy and smooth. If I had to choose, it'd be hard for me, because both are so yummy. Skin like mine is really neat, sorta like a brownie treat. Dark chocolate brown, so tasty and sweet. I love my skin from my head to my feet. When I look at Grandpa's skin, you know what comes to mind? Caramel, that's it. A touch of golden brown drizzled on top of your ice cream. Ooh-wee, this is making my tummy hungry. My best bud in the whole world, Sean, we're like cookies and cream. When we're together, our skin color doesn't mean a thing. Because we know what's inside that matters the most, color should never keep two people from being close. And I like what the author said on this page. I want you to think about, the author said, when we're together, our skin color doesn't mean a thing because we know what's inside that matters the most. So I want you to think about, what does the author mean by what's inside? Take a second and think about it while I show you the pages. All right, shout your answer out at me. If you said the heart, that's what's inside each and every one of us as human beings, and that is what matters, not the color of our skin. And our skin color should never keep us from being close to other people and being friends. Imagine a world with one hue of colors. How boring it would be. I don't know about you, but I like variety. Variety means lots of different colors. Like a bag of lollipops, each bringing a different splash of flavor to my mouth. If everyone was the same, wouldn't that be a shame? I want you to think about, what would our world be like if each and every one of us were the same? Shout your answer out at me. You are right. It would be super boring. Skin like mine is quite divine. In fact, I'd say it's one of a kind. When the author says divine, the author means that divine is beautiful. So her skin is beautiful and it's one of a kind, just like each and every one of your skin. I wouldn't trade for any other shade. I love my skin. Oh, how I love my brown skin. All right, and that is the end of the book. I want you to make sure that you do your 2 assignments. Your first assignment is your retelling, and your second assignment is your answering who, what, when, and where questions about the book. All right, if you have any questions, don't forget to message me and let me know. Have a great day, and I will see you all hopefully this week for your WebEx sessions when we read together.